everyone, I'm Ashley, Crafts with Crashly. I have a unboxing slash review for you today. I was contacted to do a review on a light pad. So it's pretty exciting. So if you're new to diamond painting, what a light pad is, it's kind of like this flat light that usually has different levels. You put it under your diamond painting to help you see the symbols better. It's like an LED light that it prevents eye strain, basically. It makes the symbols easier to see, you know, point blank. They can also be used for like tracing and different things like that. So I'm going to unbox this, and this is on Amazon. It's by a company, it's called Elice, LED light pad. Ooh, and all I did was open the end there. Let me get rid of that trash. Okay. So as you can see, it's pretty nicely packaged. There's like a little picture of it there. So it says lightweight and portable, wide application, adjustable, brightness, USB powered. Pretty standard for a diamond painting light pad. Now on Amazon right now, they are $19.99. I believe there's a $1 off coupon right now. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this is an A4. So another thing that you'll see if you're new to diamond painting or tracing, I guess, there's 3 standard sizes of light pads. So you have the smallest one, which is the size, the A4. And then you have, well, the A4 is typically 10 by 13 inches. The A3 is the middle one, and that's 13 by 18. And the A2 is the ginormous one, and that one is 18 by 25. Yeah, I know a few people have them. I think Rebecca has an A4 or A2. It's like ginormous. Okay, so this is a little bit concerning because this part wasn't really latched. Okay. Oh, it's like a suitcase. Ah. All right. There we go. Aw, this reminds me of Rivka. Rivka has a YouTube channel and she loves dolphins. So it said it comes with different tracing papers. Hold on, what does it say it comes with? Okay, it says that you get the light pad, a 1.5 USB cable, user manual. Oh, it's 8 free illustrations, 10 tracing paper, 2 clips, 1 pencil, 1 sharpener, 1 eraser, microfiber cloth. So this must be the tracing, or the, oh, what they just call it, the free illustrations. I'm not gonna open that quite yet. This is probably the tracing paper. We can open that at the end, but I'm sure most of you are here to check the quality for diamond painting. This is the microfiber cloth you can use to clean it. Okay, here we go. Well, not quite. Ooh, and here's a fancy pantsy tracing pencil. Never had one of those before. No idea what makes it different than any other pencil, but hey, whatever. Ooh, look at this. That's cute. So that you get this little eraser thingamabobber. Now this is cool. These would come in handy for diamond painting. They're like little clips. So for your light pad, you could clip things to it, or, you know, clip down your diamond painting if you'd like to. And they send you this pencil sharpener. Hey-o. Okay, put these things back in here. But yes, I would definitely say light pads are like essential to diamond painting. And I'm going to get everything out and unbox it for you. And then I'm actually going to be using it a little bit on the diamond painting, just so we could see how it works. And if you've never seen a light pad with diamond painting, you'll see, you know, how much of a lifesaver it is. What is this? Oh, trash. Okay, so here's the cord. So another typical thing that can be annoying with light pads is the tiny short cords that most of them come with. This one is actually a pretty long one. Standard, the USB cord. Yeah, this is actually way longer than my current light pad cord. Holy moly. My current one's only like this long. It sucks. Anyway, so I guess you get the cord, but not the plug. All right, no worries, I have one. All right, let me just set this stuff off to the side here. So I'm not gonna open up the tracing. I might open up the illustrations, I don't know. Nah, but you do get the free prints or whatever. Now I'm an artist, but I don't really draw very much. I'd love to learn, but meh. Ain't nobody got time for that, not right now anyway. So you saw it had the padding on each corner. Let's kind of unravel this. It's nice that they have it nice and protected. Okay, come on out. Thank you. See, sometimes you just gotta talk sweet to things, you know? Sometimes they listen. All right. Ooh, that's cool. So you have your copy board instruction, has your specifications on there. Easy operation. Oh, it has instructions. How sweet. So this is different. It comes with a ruler, which, you know, I suppose would come in handy if you're tracing or drawing, but I'm not really sure how you'd use that with diamond painting specifically. Now, there's something else in here. What is this? Oh, what's this? Oh, hey, look, there's something in Chinese. What's this? Thank you for your purchase. Oh, 5th anniversary of our company release. Contact, blah, blah, blah. A free gift. Ooh. Quantities are limited. Okay. 1 A4 size fluorescent drawing board. Pen included. Ooh, that's super cool. I better go claim my gift. While supplies last. Okay, so here is the light pad. So I will be right back. I'm gonna go find an actual plug so we can actually plug it in and try it out. And I'm probably gonna get out my diamond painting too. So be right back. All right, so I got my diamond painting here, got the light pad plugged in. So another kind of cool thing, you make sure your light pad's getting power. It has this blue glowing light there. You unplug it. That's pretty nifty-galifty, I suppose. There we go. And so the power button right here, it is touch. So just so you can see what it looks like without being under anything, it has 3 settings. And you just touch the power. Pretty cool, huh? I think it's cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna slide this under my diamond painting here really quick. And you know, if you've diamond painted before, you probably have seen this many times, or you've seen what the symbols look like, you know, before and after you put a light pad under it. But for those of you that are new, I am going to zoom you in just a little bit here. All right. I have this overhead light, so I'm just gonna move that a little bit. So this is what like a standard room lighting would be. This is in my office here, no overhead light, which is what I typically use. Now this is a Diamond Art Club painting. So you'll see here, their symbols are typically already really bright. Not every diamond painting company's is, okay? So you can see these symbols already pretty clearly, but just so you can compare, this is what it looks like setting number 1. Zoom you out just a little bit. Here's setting number 2. And this is a setting I usually have on my light pad, the middle one. Here's setting number 3. So obviously it does make these symbols just pop for you. And again, most of us will sit and diamond paint for hours on end. And trying to make out these little symbols, especially with some of the companies, you know, who have all those blurry symbols that aren't like super clean and neat like Diamond Art Club. You know, it does strain your eyes. And like, holy migraines, you know, sitting there for hours doing it. I'm just gonna diamond paint just a tad bit so you can see like the whole new world of difference. And right now I'm doing a Mandy Manzano painting, so I think what's cool is filling in all the 310 life, you know, and then filling in the colors. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is without the light. And again, I like to be on the middle settings. That's the dimmest, there's the middle. So again, it just makes it so much clearer. You know, even with Diamond Art Club paintings, I can still, oops, patty wax. I could still see even the outlines of the circles better, you know? Let me zoom in, I'll show you. Maybe, there we go. Like, look at the clarity there. So this light pad is freaking sweet. You know, it has the power button all the way, you know, up there, which is kind of nice because some light pads have them like down here in the middle. And since they're touch power, it's easy to like set your hand on it and turn it off. You know what I mean? And so another cool thing about having a light pad, since you can see the outlines of the symbols better, you will create better lines. Like this one I just saw was crooked, you know? So if you're one of those diamond painters who has some OCD going on, you will love that for sure. So that's basically all I have for this one. I will add the link in the description of this video, of course. Again, right now there's a $1 off coupon, so you can get this light pad here for $18.99 right now. Again, that was the other day that I looked, so not sure if that's still going on, but it was last time I checked. And again, apparently right now they're giving free gifts, or that pen thingamajig. You get a free gift. You have to email them. I'm probably gonna do that right after I'm done recording this video. So I want to know in the comments below if you have been diamond painting, and for how long have you been diamond painting without a light pad? I'm curious to know if you think having a light pad would be beneficial to you. So let me know below. But I hope you all enjoyed it. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. I do a couple of these unboxings and little mini tutorials quite often, along with making my custom clay pens. So yeah, consider subscribing and then give it a big old thumbs up. All right, y'all, that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Bye-bye now.